You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 2,100,000. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 480 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 5,000. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 2,100,000.